In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely manage and limit access to your Google Sheets file by disabling the download, print, and copy options for viewers and commenters. This is particularly useful when you're dealing with sensitive information or you simply want to maintain better control over how your data is shared and used. First, let's locate the Google Sheets file that's storing the responses to your form. If you've set it up to do so, your form results will be automatically deposited into a Google Sheets file within your Google Drive. Open your Drive by navigating to your Google Drive account. Once there, you'll want to find the specific file that contains the responses. It should be titled with a name that makes it easy for you to recognize. Once you've found this file, simply right-click on it to open the context menu where you'll see several options, including the Share option. After clicking Share, you'll find yourself in the sharing dialog. This is the hub for all things related to who can view and interact with your file. It's crucial to ensure that the individuals with whom you're sharing the file have the appropriate level of access. For our purposes, you'll want to make sure they're set up as either viewers or commenters. This is important because our next step, which focuses on limiting options like downloading and printing, will only apply to these roles. Now, let's dive into setting those restrictions. Within the sharing dialog, look for the gear icon or an option that says Advanced Settings. Clicking on this will open up more detailed sharing options. You're going to want to focus on the settings related to what viewers and commenters can do with the file. You'll see a checkbox that says Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. As the goal here is to restrict these functions, you'll want to uncheck this box. Once you've unselected this option, be sure to save or apply these changes before exiting the Settings dialog. This step finalizes your settings, effectively disabling the ability for viewers and commenters to download, print, or make copies of your file. Now, anyone with access should no longer see these options, providing you with an added layer of control over your data. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your shared Google Sheets files, minimizing the risk of unauthorized distribution and maintaining tighter control over the information within them. Remember that while these settings offer some protection, they're part of a broader strategy to manage who can access and use your online data effectively. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you better secure your valuable data.